Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm going to decorate the windowsill. Now, if you saw the big decoration that I did in my lounge, I did show you this area, and I think the windows need a bit of a clean as well. And it looks really good, but I just wanted a garland on there. I've wanted it for a couple of years, but every year I forget enough, time runs away with me. So I've got a few things. It's going to be very simple and very quick is this vlog. And by the way, please give us a thumbs up, please subscribe, press that bell notification, and if you can, write in the comment section below. I do try to get back to each and every one of you. So what have I got? I've got snow spray, because what I'm going to do is actually flock this garland, show you how you can do your own without having to buy them. Sometimes flock garlands come at a different price, don't they? I've also got 120, hoping this is going to be enough, of the warm white micro lights, and they're on a green metallic wire, therefore you're not going to see them as much when they're in the garland. And then I got a beautiful garland from the range today for £11.99. It's got little bits of berries in there which I don't really want, but if I spray over the top of them they could look a little bit pinker. If they don't look right, I will cut them off and I will use them in another project that I've got. But it's also got pine cones in, and it's got a little bit of sort of whiteness to the tips, but not much. Do you see what I mean? So I'm going to put this around the window. I need to take the tag off actually. I haven't got my scissors. So first of all, I want to put it in front of there, and I think I'm going to go behind these and behind my candles. So like so. And then on the other side, I'm hoping nothing's going to fall forward. Whoa. There we go. I knew that would happen. Oh, and the other one's gone. I knew that would happen. So let's see if I can do it without. I hope that hasn't chipped anything. So let's put this here first of all before we put the stars on. Let's move this separation here. That's better. If these are too heavy, I'll have to change the decoration. There we go. That looks different already, doesn't it? And a lot better. So now I'm going to put the lights on, and then I'm going to put the snow spray on. £4.99 from B&M. These are very simple. Just bring them out of the box. Now I would actually keep that for next year to be able to wrap them back round, because that's going to be a lot easier to get them out. And it's already got the slit at the beginning as well, which makes it a lot easier to use. So we've put the batteries in, and we're actually going to place these on the garden.
Oh, it's time for Christmas. Oh, it's time for us. Oh, it's time for Christmas. Don't you know? Oh, it's time for Christmas. Oh, it's time for us. Oh, it's time for Christmas. Don't you know?
What I'm going to do is go over with a little bit of snow spray, so you've got that flocked effect. So this is really simple to do. These are cost about £1. You can get them from Poundland, hopefully in the dollar store. If you're in America, you'll probably be able to get them there, I should imagine. There'll be a universal thing. And this is how I flock my trees. Now I do have some trees that are already flocked, but this is how I flock them if they haven't, because I think that's such a pretty garland. I don't think I'll be able to find one anywhere else that looks as good as that. So I've now got my snow spray.
Oh, it's time for Christmas. Oh, it's time for us. Oh, it's time for Christmas. Don't you know? Oh, it's time for Christmas. Oh, it's time for us. Oh, it's time for Christmas. Don't you know?
So there you have it. That's the flocked And it's even got a touch of some snow on the decor, but I don't think that matters. But I think that looks really pretty. Let me show you up close and personal. So there we go. I don't think it matters if you've got a little bit of, because obviously this will come off, but I don't think it matters that, I mean, obviously I'd wipe it off now because I've just put my finger on it, but I don't think it matters that if you've got a bit. The candles can still be lit because they're far enough away from the fern, and so is the bigger candle up there as well. And you can see how beautiful that looks. I wonder if I can come a bit further out for you to see. And I just think that really changes the dynamic of that windowsill and makes it look really pretty. I hope you enjoyed because it's so simple to do. You could put a little bit more deco in there, but I'm actually trying to keep this quite plain and quite sort of woodlandy, if that makes sense. If I'd gone like full on Christmas, if it was candy, I'd probably put candy canes in there and red and white baubles. If I'd gone for real traditional, I'd probably go for red, green and gold in there. But because I've gone for this quite even though my tree's plain, and a couple of people have messaged and said, have you got a tree on trees packed, and people have said, have you got a tree underneath there, Sally? It still looks, I still wanted it to be quite plain on this windowsill. If these get knocked over again, then I might put 2 stags either side or just change the decor, but I really love the finish. I hope you enjoyed. Please give us a thumbs up. Please don't forget to press that subscribe button. It's lovely to have you on board, and I'll see you later.